Hello again, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. We are in Guelph today, I believe June 7th, 2021. Really hot day. We're doing some tile and grout restoration. The homeowners have left us here by ourselves to do the restoration job, so I just wanted to bring you in, give you a sneak peek at some porcelain tile and grout we're restoring today. Now we can see what the original color was. It was a brown. So they're not opting to go with the same color that the original color was. They're opting to go with white. So this floor is just going to look beautiful. It's going to look brand new. I always like to say better than brand new. So wait till you see the results in the end. I'll take another video a little bit later on to show you guys. Some of the salt water we got out of the dining room. About 150 square feet we did to get that much soiling out. And like I said before, this client opted to go with white. So we're going from black grout to white grout. This is the first coat of 2 coats that we're going to be doing. And this is just behind the fridge. So you can tell this is just going to look better than brand new when we're done. So there's a quick little sneak peek at what we're doing today here in Guelph. So if you are looking for some carpet and upholstery cleaning or tile and grout cleaning, give us a shout. We are Waterloo Region's leader in tile and grout restoration. So give us a shout at 519-208-8533 or just visit us on our website at carmichaelcleaning.ca. Have a great day.